Hi
That's
guys, this is my
76.
first flight.
This is
The
77.
aircraft is
Yeah.
a Cessna
See, I went
172.
through all the
Registration is
details.
a Charlie Dash Golf Lima Romeo uniform from the
Wow.
Buttonville Airport, runway 15.
No one ever
Buttonville
commented on
Airport
that.
is Yankee Kilo Zulu, elevation at 650 feet. So now it's the takeoff. This is my first flight and first takeoff actually. And this is from the camera that's mounted on my hat. Later, I'll switch over to the camera that's mounted in the cabin, and we go through the entire process. This was at 7 in the evening, on the 18th of June 2021. And here we have, I'm just mounting the camera in the cabin. So with all the adjustment of the seat and all that, everything is totally new to me the first time. And then we set up everything, we go through the briefing, and then takes about an hour, and we come back and land on the same runway. So there's nothing much to it here. Just edited the video just to capture some of the important things here. I didn't have my own headset. I'm just using what the school gave. I have actually placed an order for my own. It should be arriving in a couple of days. So right now I'm just wearing what the school gave. It's a knockoff of the David Clarkson headset. It's not the original. So here I'm, just started the propellers. Anyway, there's nothing much else to it. Just as I mentioned, just wanted to capture some of the things. From almost about 5 hours of video between the two cameras, I just edited the short clip just to post it on YouTube. Here we are heading to runway 15. Just making sure the doors are all locked. This is all during the corona restriction days where we need to wear the mask, and that's another problem actually. So we are almost there now. This view is from the cabin mounted, cockpit mounted camera. This was my first flight, but I got the controls for the takeoff, and which I did. Not really very good because I was actually not on the line, the white line, almost there. It, guys. I'll be flying again tomorrow, and almost every other day I've actually made bookings, so should be able to complete many hours in a short time, because we do not know what happens tomorrow if there's another COVID ban. then I won't be able to fly. So I just want to make the best use of it when it is still open. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. So again, coming into land on runway 15. Landing was done by my instructor, of course, since this is my first flight. We land back on, it's close to around, I think, 9ish now. It's actually 8:51 in the night. So we are back, parked the aircraft. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching.